Hey everyone, welcome back to Howtechs. Today we have a Philips Momentum wired gaming mouse, and we're going to do a quick unboxing. This one is sold in Hong Kong for 98 Hong Kong dollars. That's about $12 US. Control the game your way. RGB backlight. Basically inside you can see here multicolored optical sensor, 8 buttons. So let's take a look at the back. Technical specifications: USB wired. Again, it's a wired mouse for you old school people. 8 buttons, 5 million clicks button lifespan. Wow, that's pretty good. Actually, I guess you could use that up pretty fast. Cable length 1.8 meters, resolution 1000 to 6400 dpi, voltage current 5 volts DC, 90 milliamps, and what else we got? 120 grams plus or minus 10 grams, and made in China, of course. And it is used under license, when actually it's not made by Philips themselves. It's made by Shenzhen Youyuan Hongye Electronics Limited, and the technical number is the SPK9212. So let's take a quick look inside. So it actually comes with a user manual, a little bit fancy for a mouse, but I guess it explains what all the 8 buttons are. So here you can see all that specifications here, non-slip feet, Philips logo. It's so nice of them to label that. But yeah, I guess it does light up maybe. So here you can see in all its glory. Looks pretty nice. I guess the Philips logo lights up. This is to adjust the resolution. I don't know. On the bottom it actually has some switches, so this is to turn the lights on and off. And this one looks like it's a reset button, so I don't know if that brings up some software in Windows or not, but yeah, not too bad. So the main reason why we got this, actually, I don't know if you guys are familiar, but pretty much nowadays everyone wants to sell you a freaking wireless mouse, Bluetooth mouse, or ones that have their own little dongle that plugs in. Wired mice are actually getting harder and harder to come by. Either they're super low end or they're super fancy. So this one is a little bit on the fancier side, but yeah, if you don't want to deal with a wireless mouse, you kind of have to go this way, because the junky ones are a little bit too junky, like the wheels start dying or the buttons go out. So let's try this higher end one, see how it works. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Otherwise, see you guys next time here on Howtechs. Bye. Everyone, welcome back to Howtechs. Today we have an iPhone 12 Pro, hot off the presses. I just picked it up at the Apple Store. It is the morning of the release, the 23rd of October.